In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to breathe new life into a scanned image using Photoshop. Whether you're restoring a cherished family photo or simply adding creative flair to an artwork, these steps will guide you through the process. First, let's dive right in and open up the scanned image in Photoshop. Once it's open, you might notice that the layer is locked as the background. To start working with it freely, you'll need to convert it into a normal layer. Do this by simply double-clicking on the background layer's thumbnail in the Layers panel, and you'll be prompted to change it into Layer 0. This simple step unlocks the image, allowing you to freely make edits and adjustments. Before you embark on any changes, it's crucial to preserve the integrity of your original scan. Save a copy of the image as Photo Original PSD or another file name that makes sense for you. This ensures that, no matter what, you have the initial scan safely tucked away should you ever need to refer back to it. Next, let's talk about working non-destructively. This is a fundamental practice in Photoshop to make sure your edits can be reversed, adjusted, or fine-tuned without ever degrading the original data. To do this, first convert the image layer into a smart object. You can achieve this by simply right-clicking on the layer and selecting Convert to Smart Object. This step is key because it allows you to apply filters and adjustments without permanently altering the pixels in your image. Using adjustment layers instead of direct edits will give you the flexibility to tweak your image later. If you're using Photoshop 22.0 or newer, you have an exciting option called Neural Filters, specifically the Colorize filter. This feature uses AI to add color to black and white images seamlessly. Alternatively, you can manually colorize the image by adding solid color fill layers above your image layer. Change the blending mode of these layers to Color and mask them to specific areas like skin, clothing, or backgrounds for more precise control. For a charming vintage feel, add a hue or saturation adjustment layer. Check the Colorize option, select a warm tone, and then bring down the saturation to get that old-timey look. Remember to save your working file as a PSD to keep all your layers and masks intact for future edits. Finally, when you're ready to share or print your masterpiece, export a copy in the appropriate format. For prints, a JPEG or TIFF at 300 ppi is ideal. For web sharing, you'll want a PNG or JPEG at 72 to 150 ppi. If printing, don't forget to convert to CMYK if your printer requires it, and include bleed to ensure full coverage to the edge of your print. And there you have it, a beautifully restored image that maintains all the charm of its original form while adding a splash of color and creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy editing in Photoshop.